Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make a radio button read only. As this is a regular radio button and I'll make it read only and you cannot edit this radio button. Now select form option, this menu bar, and this left side top corner, select this select down arrow. Now select annotation, drag your mouse cursor or click on this radio button. Select properties dialog box and properties dialog box go general option, and here you will find this read only option. Simply click here and close, select hand option and see this, you cannot edit. See this. Yeah, in this way you can make your radio button read only. Also you can remove this read only and see this. Now you can edit. Again you can make it read only and see this. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.